Bonjour tout le monde, c'est Claire at French in the Midlands. Hello everyone, Claire at French in the Midlands. I made for you a video about the verb prendre, which has many meanings and is sometimes misused to mean something else. So I'm going to show you how it works. So the basic meaning of prendre is to take, as in je prends le train. I take the train. Je prends le train. But where English speakers go wrong is they use it to mean to take somebody somewhere, and for that we use a totally different verb, which is emmener. Now, I will make another video about the verb emmener, so keep your eyes peeled, but for now let's concentrate on prendre. So other than to take, it's got several meanings. First one is to have, as in je vais prendre un café. See, in French we don't say I'm going to have a coffee, it's I'm going to take a coffee. So je vais prendre un café, I'm going to have a coffee. Second one, to get. So as in to acquire. So on va prendre un chien is we are going to get a dog. On va prendre un chien. Your on va is we're going to, and then prendre, to take a dog basically. Meaning number 3, to be busy or to be taken. Je suis très prise ce matin. I am very busy this morning. That's for a woman because she would say prise. A man would say je suis très pris ce matin. And for the meaning of to be taken, it would be prise again. So cette place est prise. This seat is taken. Cette place est prise. See, place does not mean place. Place is a seat in French. Now, prendre has yet other meanings. Number 4, to fetch or to pick up. Very useful, this one. Je passe vous prendre à 3 heures. I'll pick you up at 3. Je passe vous prendre à 3 heures. Number 5, to put on weight. If you say to someone, j'ai pris 2 kilos cet hiver, it means I put on 2 kilos this winter. J'ai pris 2 kilos cet hiver. That would be the past tense. Don't fret about that because we're going to study that in due course. And number 6, to catch, as in to catch someone. So sometimes you see in the newspapers headlines like Le cambrioleur a été pris, the burglar was caught. And we use pris for caught in that context. Now, how does prendre changes with each person? So we'll only look at the main 3 again today because they're the ones you're going to use the most. The I take, which is je prends. Now you noticed je prends has 2 silent consonants on the end of it. That's perfectly normal. Don't be tempted to slip in a little de, a little se. No, it's je prends, ignore them. And it also means I take or I am taking. On prend, we take or we are taking. You notice with on, you never have an S on the end of the verb, but it doesn't matter to you because it just sounds the same anyway. Je prends, on prend. Finally, vous prenez, that's the formal you, which you'll use for everybody you don't know. So you take or you are taking, vous prenez. Now you see prendre is slightly irregular because it sheds the D. We actually should say vous prendez, but that's not possible, so we say vous prenez. And that concludes today's video. I'm going to make many more for you, so keep your eyes open, have a look on my website, frenchinthemidlands.com, and I'll see you in the next one.